What if a single bouquet could quietly design an entire garden? In a previous video, this bouquet, purple allium, chamomile, and soft white and dramatic pink roses, began to suggest a garden. Today, I want to let that garden grow by adding 9 more flowers to the original 4, grouped by their role in the garden. Structure and rhythm quietly shape the garden, setting a gentle pace that leads the eye from one moment to the next. Salvia brings rhythm to a cottage garden, upright stems that sway gently, guiding the eye without ever feeling rigid. They are a wonderful choice for cottage-style and pollinator-friendly gardens. Foxgloves add vertical structure. They are such a beautiful storybook flower, and they fit the cottage garden style perfectly. With its star-kissed petals blushing pink and its sweet evening fragrance drifting on the breeze, the Stargazer Lily rises like a quiet romance in the cottage garden. Elegant, nostalgic, and impossible to overlook. Soft fillers drift between the structure, loosening the edges and letting the garden feel light and lived in. Alyssum settles low and wide, softening edges and stitching the garden together with color. It's a fragrant favorite in cottage gardens. Cosmos bring lightness and motion. Their airy dancing stems add a magical wildflower feel to any garden bed or cutting garden. I love watching them dance. Scabiosa is a lovely cottage garden staple. Its pincushion blooms nodding gently, as if keeping secrets with the bees. Romantic anchors are where the garden lingers, flowers that ask you to pause, even if only for a moment. Clematis adds romance without formality. They are a cottage garden favorite and pair beautifully with roses, fences, and arches. Dianthus blooms like a soft memory, with its frilled petals and clove-sweet fragrance carrying the quiet romance of old paths, lace-edged borders, and time gently passing. Peonies are moments the garden waits for. Generous, fleeting blooms that linger in memory long after they fade. Together, these 9 flowers quietly expand a garden in shades of purple, white, and pink. I know when I am at the garden center, the choices are endless, and all the colors are beautiful. But focusing on just a few colors gives the garden an added feeling of calm and ease. A bouquet chooses the colors. A garden decides how they live together.